In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync two Airtable bases. We'll connect a view from one base and mirror it into another base, so your team can use up-to-date data without editing the original. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser and signing in. Open the base that contains the records you want to share. I'm using a sample base for demonstration, but your own base is perfect. Make sure you're looking at the specific view you want to sync, since Airtable will use the currently selected view as the source. Using a filtered or curated view is a great way to control exactly which fields and records move over. In the top right of the base, click Share and Sync. This opens a panel that bundles together sharing options, including syncing. Choose Sync Data to another base to begin setting up the connection. Airtable will show the current view as the sync source. If you see any highlighted settings or summaries, give them a quick review to confirm the view and fields are correct. When you're ready, click Sync this view to proceed. Next, pick where the synced table should live. Click Choose a workspace and select the workspace that contains your destination base. Then click Choose a base and select the base that should receive the synced table. If you work in multiple workspaces or bases, take a second to double check you're sending the data to the right place. To finish, click Create Table. Airtable will create a new table in the destination base that mirrors the source view. You'll typically see a highlight or banner indicating that the sync is active. That's your confirmation everything is connected. From here, a few notes to help you get the most out of it. The synced table in the destination base is read only. Edits should be made in the original source base. Updates flow automatically based on your plan's sync frequency, and changes you make to the source view, like filters, sorts, and which fields are visible, will be reflected in the synced table. This makes the view your control panel for what gets shared. If teammates can't select a workspace or base during setup, they may need permission to access that destination. To keep things organized, you can rename the new table in the destination base without breaking the connection. And if you ever need to stop the connection or adjust its settings, you can manage it from the synced table's header in the destination base. That's it. Your two bases are now connected and syncing, giving your team reliable, up-to-date data where they need it.